NVIDIA Grid. This technology has been talked about quite a bit, but this is the first time that it's actually been live showcased here at E3 in Los Angeles, and have Will from NVIDIA to talk to us about this exciting new technology in full effect. This stuff actually works, and it's being implemented in the booth around us.
Yeah, so like you said, we've been showing off our Grid cloud gaming technology for several months now, but we've been streaming it to tablets, to phones, to laptops so far. At the show, this is the first time where we're actually showing these games, these high-end PC titles, streaming right to Shield, and I think it's a testament to how powerful the Grid technology is, as well as Shield's Tegra 4 processor, that they can work in harmony together with really low latency. Basically, what you get with a console, with a native console.
The other thing that NVIDIA has accomplished is you are actually able to stream games from your own GTX-equipped PC to your Shield.
Yeah, that's right. So we're calling that PC game streaming. We're launching that as a beta feature on launch with Shield. And what that allows you to do is it takes your GTX-powered PC. It's got to be a GTX 650 or higher, and it'll stream your PC game from your desktop over Wi-Fi to Shield. And the benefit there is you get all those high-quality graphics. You got your PhysX, you got TXAA, higher textures, a lot of particle physics, and all that good stuff right on Shield in a portable device.
Well, that's pretty exciting because I don't think anybody else out there is doing it. I remember there was a project, some company actually tried doing the cloud gaming, but that went nowhere fast because I think they did not have their own proprietary hardware.
Right, so we do have our own proprietary hardware. We own the hardware stack, so we're able to optimize the experience so that really what's most important to us is that you can stream these high-end games and they look really good, but also that we reduce the latency so you don't notice it. So it's at like what you would experience with an Xbox on your home TV.
All right, and how is this going to work as a business model? Are you guys going to be hosting your own server centers, or?
Right, so what you see back here are 20 Grid servers in a rack, and we're selling these to our partners and licensing the technology, and our partners will roll out services that you can subscribe to stream all that content to Shield or your tablet or your laptop, anything.
Well, that's pretty fascinating. When do you think that's going to be actually available to common public?
We're working with all our partners right now. We can't really talk about that because we do have agreements, privacy agreements with our partners. It'll be coming in the near future. I think the nearer term thing is Shield. It's available for pre-order now, and it's available at shield.nvidia.com and all our retail partners. You have GameStop, Newegg, Micro Center, and Canada Computer.
And when is it expected to become actually available?
So we haven't announced ship dates yet, but we will announce that very soon.
And what is the price point?
The price point is $349, and yeah, we're targeting a Q2 ship window, so pretty soon.
All right, well, that pretty much covers it. What else you got that's interesting?
So, we're showing off Shield Android gaming as well as PC gaming, and we're also showing off our latest GeForce GTX technologies, like our GTX 780. We just launched that. That's an awesome card, and we're also showing off the mobile versions, those the GTX 780M and a few other M products as well.
So essentially what happens that right now customers will have a choice whether they actually want their mobile gaming to be done through the cloud or on the go or streamed from their PC.
Right, exactly. So that's our philosophy. That's our driving force behind Shield. We want to make sure that you can take your gaming, whatever that happens to be, PC or Android, on the go, away from your computer.
Now, one of the things that sets GeForce apart from its competition is the GeForce Experience. This is essentially a custom-tailored software that detects whatever game you have installed on your system and automatically, one click, optimizes the internal in-game settings to whatever the optimal gameplay experience would be. What it also takes care of is automatic driver updates, as well as, well, it's pretty much like a hub for everything you need to do with your GeForce equipped PC. Because one of the gripes is, hey, if you have a console, you pop it in, it just works. Well, this is what NVIDIA has done to address that one concern that, hey, well, now you pop it in and you press one button and it works. So why don't you tell us some more about this exciting technology?
I think you've covered it really well. We've been working on this piece of software for a long time. You know, the goal really is to make PC gaming a lot simpler. You know, as you say, console is kind of put in the disc. We want to recreate that experience, but still have the power of GeForce graphics cards, of PC gaming behind it. So for pretty much all the popular games right now, we've done custom profiling and tested them on our servers in Santa Clara and in Moscow to make sure basically for every CPU and GPU combination and every monitor resolution, we know which settings work best for your CPU, for your GPU, for your PC. So here we're showing Borderlands 2. Out of the box, the resolution is a bit skewed, physics is turned off, the textures are a bit low. Generally, it's not how you want to play the game. And over here, you just click optimize. Here we have it side by side, and it shows you the game with everything turned on. So physics is on, resolution is pixel correct to your panel, and you get a lot of nicer effects. Like if I were to shoot, you know, the ground, you get these excellent particle effects as well.
Well, this is our last day and it's nearly drawing to a close. It has been a pretty amazing adventure. My first time going alone to an event like this. And we did get to visit all of our key partners who we came here to visit as the main target. Then I actually got to go to some of the most interesting booths, do a few videos about it to like let you guys know what I've seen. I got to get some BF4 hands-on. I actually got to see the new upcoming Command and Conquer Generals. Then we got to actually be at the PS4 unveiling. That was an amazing experience. What else is worth noting? Well, I did get to pretend that I'm a tank in front of these guys, and it didn't work again, but I'm going to keep on trying. And yeah, well, thank you for following us on our little adventure, and stay tuned.